$24,510 loss. This is my trading result from the last trading week, trading commodities and futures based on COT Report. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz, and in this video I am going to review all my trades from the last trading week. First of all, risk disclaimer. Let's start with COT1 trading account. The account size is $906,000. I trade on this account COT1 trading strategy. This strategy is based on COT data analysis. This is my watch list I started with in the last trading week. As you can see, on the buy side or for long trades, I had Dow Jones E-mini, Euro FX, Mexican peso, soybean meal, gold, copper, cotton, and for short trades on the watch list, I had heating oil, gold, and coffee. Let's have a look at my open positions beginning of the week and the end of the week. So as you can see, I started in the last trading week with open positions 10 long contracts in Euro, 59 long contracts in Mexican peso, 6 short contracts in heating oil, 9 long contracts in Dow Jones E-mini, and 1 long contract in soybean meal. End of the week, I had in my portfolio 10 long contracts Euro, 59 long contracts Mexican peso, and 9 long contracts in Dow Jones E-mini. The weekly trading result is $90,722 loss. And here we go. Here you can see the weekly chart of Euro FX. I analyzed the weekly chart and COT data to create COT buy or sell signals. As you can see, we got a buy signal here in weekly chart by Euro FX several weeks ago, and I decided to open here a long position. I switched to the daily chart, waited there for an entry pattern, and opened here a long position with 20 long contracts. I closed a part of my position by risk-reward ratio 1:2. I made a profit of $20,562. And I'm still in a long position with 10 long contracts, and I'm waiting for my price target 123. The open profit in this market is $26,375. Next trade, Dow Jones E-mini. So I got here a buy signal based on COT data analysis on weekly chart. I switched on the daily chart. The market was in a upward daily trend, and I decided to open here a long position with 9 long contracts. So I'm still in the market. I wait here for my price target, risk reward ratio 1:5. The open profit of this position is $51,570. Next trade, Mexican peso. Same picture here. On the weekly chart, I got a buy signal based on COT data analysis. As you can see, the weekly trend is also uptrend. So therefore, I decided to open here a long position. So I split my entry. I opened a part of my position. Then after I saw, okay, we have an upward trend. So I used the correction to open the second part of my position. So I built up my position until 59 long contracts. Currently is my stop loss on the last entry price, so I will move my stop loss based on trend structure. My price target is by 0.05950, so this is a risk reward ratio of 1:3. So the open profit $64,760. Next trade, heating oil. So also here I got a sell signal based on COT data analysis, and as you can see, the market is also in a downward trend on weekly chart, and we have also very strong downward seasonal trend. This was a good setup for a short trade, but after I was triggered, some days later I was stopped out with a loss of $17,942. This is 2% of my trading account. Next trade, soybean meal. If you watch my trading review videos week by week, you already knew this position because I opened this position several weeks ago. And as you can see, I closed a part of my position by 1:2, then the rest of my position by 1:3, and also with 1 contract I traded the trend. So I had to roll from December to January contract. I did it. Overall profit of this trade was $54,630, but in January contract I was stopped out and made a loss of $1,780. Overall, with this trading idea, I made $52,850. This trade is a record in my trading career. Good trade based on COT data. Good job. So in other markets from their watches, I didn't do any trades and the reasons are the same. So for example, in copper, I didn't get my entry pattern. So here cotton went whole the week sideways. So here in gold also, I didn't get my entry pattern. So, and in this market, as you can see, so the market went sideways. So we had also last trading week a holiday in US. It affected also some markets because the week was short. Next trading account is a small account. Account size is $30,000. I trade this account to support traders with a small account to show how I trade small account based on risk money management and to show how patient you have to be if you have a small account. On this account, I don't have any changes. I have same position as the last week, 2 positions, Mexican peso, 3 long contracts, and also Dow Jones Micro, 4 long contracts. Next and the last trading account is COT2 trading account. I trade on this account COT2 trading strategy. This strategy is more aggressive, is for advanced traders because we have more trading opportunities, more signals, more entry patterns, and it requires advanced risk money management. So I started in the last trading week with 1 open position in my portfolio. I was 5 contracts long in soybeans. So the open profit was $6,750. And I finished the week with 2 new positions in my portfolio. So I am 4 long contracts in British pound and 3 long contracts in silver. So, and the weekly trading result is $4,788 loss. So the account size of COT2 trading strategy is $505,000. So this is the profit without the start capital of $50,000, as you can see. So the realized profit currently is $444,000. And here are the trades I made last trading week. Soybeans, so I had some rest open position in soybean. So, and I moved my stop based on trend structure, was stopped out last trading week and made a profit of $4,700. Next trade, soybean oil. So we had here in this market a buy signal based on COT data analysis. Also, we got a trend change entry pattern. I opened here a long position, but I was stopped out. The loss is $9,488. This is the trading game. You can do everything in the correct way based on your trading rules, based on risk money management, but your trading result could be a minus, a loss. But the trading result of a single trade is not a result of your trading strategy. This is very important. So as a trader, you have to start to think in expectation, in probabilities, and it takes time. Successful trading is focused on successful trading routine. Therefore, I made loss with this trade, but I am happy that the trade was perfect in terms of my trading rule and risk money management. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. Please remember, risk and money management is the key to success in trading. See you next week. Your Max Schulz.